Okay, hello. I'm going to show you a few things to get you started on your laptop computer after you log in using your username, your SFUSD username and password. You might get a backdrop that looks like this. We're going to change that soon. The first thing I want to tell you, this is what you just copied into your sketchbook. We're going to go over all these things right now. So first thing, you just logged in. I'm going to show you how to log out. This is the Apple icon. Where is it located? That's right, up here. Okay, you're going to click on that. Your class period should show up, and at the end of class, you're going to log out, not shut down. There's another class that's going to use your computer, so don't shut down. When you hear the Jeopardy music, you'll start cleaning up, finishing up. Click on the Apple icon. Not shut down, go to log out. Right now this is my computer, but yours will say log out cart 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, then you hit log out. If you want to do it quicker, you can hit this blue button. I don't want to log out right now, so I'm going to hit cancel. Log out, number 1, check. Next we're going to start decorating your laptop the way you like it. We're going to go to System Preferences. That lets you design, set up the way you like things. Okay, we're going to do desktop and screensaver first. You're going to choose a desktop image. Your image must be in Pictures folder. I'll show you. Again, Apple icon, System Preferences, second one. Click on that. This should come up like this. Okay. This is here, this is here. Desktop and screensaver is what we're looking for. It's right here, second one. Click on that. Desktop, this is your desktop. Right now it's blue with the SFUSD. You can change it to whatever you like. They have a bunch of images in the desktop pictures. They have solid colors if you prefer that. Okay. Or you can put your own images in. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. I have this image of, I call it 3D toast. You can do a couple of different things. Fill the screen, fit to screen if it's a different size, stretch to fit, center it in the middle, or you can tile. Okay, so it repeats it, depending on how big it is. Okay, if it's too big, like this one, it won't really show. So I would prefer this one. Maybe I'll just do stretch to fit, and then I have that. But he looks kind of chubby, so maybe just fill screen. Yay, now he looks happy. Okay, so desktop screensaver, that's in your system preferences. Always up here, it's going to tell you where you are. If I click on this picture, or if I go back here, okay, so that was the system preference, desktop, and screensaver. Images must be in Pictures folder. What do I mean by that? If you want to get some images from the internet, let's say SpongeBobby. Okay, you get an image. You can take one of these, just drag it to your desktop probably. There it is. Okay. Now to make that part of your Pictures folder, you have to figure out where the Pictures folder is. Okay. I will show you how to do that right now. Use your magnifying glass. It's an icon in the top right of the screen. Let's go look up there. Oh, there it is. Looks a lot like this. There it is. Click on that. This will help you search for stuff in your computer. Okay? I'm going to type in Pictures folder. Pictures, maybe just Pictures, and there's my folder. Okay? I'll double click that and then it'll show up. It's in Patron. You'll probably have cart 2, 3, 4, and then a Pictures folder. I'll just drag this unknown JPEG right in there. There it is. And then I can go back to my system preferences. Oh, and there's our friend. Okay, so fill screen, or let's see what happens when we tile. Okay, so I want you to do that. I want you to get an image and put it in your desktop background to make it your own. Okay, what else are we going to do? Magnifying glass, desktop. Next thing we're going to talk about is the dock, D-O-C-K. We go back to System Preferences. How do I get there? How do I get to System Preferences? I can go here again. System Preferences, it'll show up. This is a back button. It'll go to all the different things. We're only going to talk about a few today. DOCK is your dock. A dock, I'm going to turn this one off. Automatically hide and show the dock. So now it's always there. The dock, what does it do? It displays icons for applications. Double click to open. Okay, so if I go down here and I want to open Firefox, I can just double click. It'll start bouncing, and then Firefox will open. I don't want to do that right now, but that's what it's for. Okay. Before you saw it was hidden. Our laptops don't have that much space on the screen, so I like to click this, automatically hide. If you go down, it'll show up for you, and then you can go all the different applications. If you would like it on the left, hit over on the left. If you like it on the right, hit on the right. I like it on the bottom. Size of your dock you can change up here. Magnification. If you scroll over, it'll make it big to show you which one you're in. I like it in the middle kind of thing. Genie effect, don't worry about that stuff. So kind of fool around with the dock, D-O-C-K. Okay, next thing we're going to do. So I'm going to come around and ask you, you're going to show me your dock. I'm going to set mine to hide so I get some more room. Next thing we're going to talk about is trackpad. Select point and click, choose tap to click. Lots of times, trackpad is here. This is where you're clicking with your thumb and your fingers possibly, if you're not using a mouse. Lots of time I hear students just click, 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 click. I want you to go to point and click and tap to click. Select that one. If it's not set to click, then you have to click down. If you hit tap to click and it's on like this with the blue check, that means you can just tap and things will with like a finger, things will work just like a click. Hoping this will save our trackpads for other classes. So please do that and show me that you have that set. You still have to click and hold and if you want to drag stuff, but set again, point and click, and then tap to click. Okay? I think we are done with our system preferences. So I'm going to hit this red X. It'll go away. You notice it used to say system preferences. Now it says Finder. Whatever program you're in, it'll always say it up here. If it's Photoshop, if it's Firefox, watch. I'm in Safari now. Now I'm in the Finder. Last thing I would love for you to do is create a new folder. In the Finder, we're in the Finder, choose File. If you ever see in your vocabulary or your procedures sheets something underlined, it means it's all the way on the top bar here. Okay? I couldn't put a line on top, so I'm going to put it underlined. So top bar File, let's go up there. There's File. Next thing you want to do is click and go to New Folder. File, New Folder. Okay? If you notice, oh, I made a mistake. New Folder. If you also want to do these quick keys, it's going to be, I think, Control, Command, N. I'll figure that out. But let's just do it this way. File. Oh, now we're in Safari. See? Now Finder, File. New folder. It should pop up over here. It does. Name the folder Art. How do we name a folder? You can hold down Control. Name? No. Or you can just click over the untitled folder. You can select all, just like any word processing, and name it Art. Yay. Okay, so now you have an Art folder. We're going to put our projects in there. Alrighty, so we've done all this stuff. I'm going to come around and check that you have a different desktop picture. You remember how to do that? We went up here to System Preferences. You're going to do a desktop picture. Check. Then you're going to do Dock. You're going to figure this out the way you like it. Desktop picture first. Whichever you like. Then you're going to work on your dock, put it where you like it, and show me that you know how to use it. And then you're going to go to trackpad. Point click, tap to click is chosen, so it's nice and quiet when you're clicking stuff. Might get getting some used to. And then finally you're going to make a folder and call it Art. Okay, if you have that all done, call me over, I'll take a look, and then I'll show you how to get into our Google Classroom. And you can start on our first project, okay? Bye-bye.